Ready? Hey everyone! Welcome to the Beacon! We have fun and games! Hey everyone! Welcome back to Flight School. Today we're going to cover some tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your Skydio Beacon. When flying with the Beacon, hand launching is the quickest way to get Skydio 2 in the air and locked on you. To switch skills, tap the red stop button. Skydio 2 will enter the hover skill, open the cinematic mode selector, and wait for a command. You can perform multiple skills from the Beacon. Once in hover, you can choose the skill you'd like Skydio 2 to perform next using the left and right arrow buttons. Then, press the Skydio button to select a skill. One great skill to remember is steering. Once selected, use these 5 buttons to control forward, left and right, and up and down. Use beacon steering to reacquire or change subjects by piloting the Skydio 2 until the subject you want to track is in frame. Select your tracking mode of choice and tap the blue Skydio button to begin tracking that subject. Another great way to control Skydio 2 is using drag and drop. Point the beacon at Skydio 2, then press and hold the blue Skydio button. Then point to where you want Skydio 2 positioned and release the Skydio button. This will reposition the drone relative to the subject it is tracking. You can use drag and drop to place the drone near the ground for cinematic shots with dramatic backgrounds. Or you can place Skydio 2 higher out of the way of obstacles. You can also double tap the blue Skydio button at any time to perform an instant Dronie, revealing the landscape. Here are some additional tips to make sure you get the max performance from your beacon. While flying, keep your beacon away from other signal-emitting devices. Place or hold the beacon away from your body if possible. Do not tightly grip the base of the beacon where the GPS is located. Also, avoid flying in GPS-denied environments. And place the beacon in a waterproof case or bag when performing water sports. When you're ready to land, use drag and drop or beacon steering to place Skydio 2 over a safe landing zone. Then, press and hold the red stop button to initiate a landing, or a hand catch. And that's all you need to know to fly confidently with your Skydio Beacon and your Skydio 2. Or you could place Skydio 2 higher away from obstacles.
Out of the way of obstacles.
Or you could place Skydio 2 higher away from obstacles.
Out of the way of obstacles.
Or you could place Skydio 2 higher away from obstacles.
Out of the way.
Out of the way. Or you could place Skydio 2 higher out of the way of obstacles.